Welcome to my YouTube channel Success Academy. Today's video I will tell basic concepts of trigonometry and tell the ratios and degrees of trigonometry. This video is helpful for high school to second PUC students. If you think trigonometry is very difficult, you must watch this video completely. Thank you. First of all, everyone who is watching this video may have doubt. What is trigonometry? Why do we need to study it? What is the use of it? Trigonometry is nothing but the study of angles, length and height. In real life, why do we need to study trigonometry? Trigonometry's applications are in surveying, in engineering and in music industry, sound navigation, satellite navigation and so on. Many uses of applications of trigonometry. In real life, in daily life, we can use trigonometry for finding the height of hill, height of a building. We know the distance from the foot of the hill. We are standing from some distance apart, and the angle of elevation we know. And let it be theta be 30 degree or 60 degree. By the help of it, we can find the height. Same with respect to building. Same, we know the distance and we can find out the height. It is an easy method to find the height without using any instruments. Now friends, let me tell you how to write trigonometric ratios. To write trigonometric ratios, we need a right angle triangle ABC. Right angle at B. So here hypotenuse is AC and the theta they have given at A. So opposite to is BC. BC is our opposite side. Next, for theta, adjacent side is AB. Hypotenuse is AC. Next, first how to remember it? You have to remember all the angles by using this simple shortcut. This is sin theta, cos theta, tan theta. Sin, cos, tan. OH means opposite by hypotenuse. Cos, AH means adjacent by hypotenuse. Tan, OA means opposite by adjacent. The reciprocal of sin is cosecant theta. Cosecant theta is hypotenuse by opposite. Reciprocal of cos is secant theta. Hypotenuse by adjacent. Reciprocal of tan is cot. Cot is adjacent by opposite. Okay. If you remember these three only, SOH, CAH, TOH, you can easily write this also because it is reciprocal. Cosecant theta, OH you have to write HO, AH you have to write HA, OA you have to write AO. Similarly, by using this and seeing the triangle, we can write down the trigonometric ratios. Sin theta, BC by AB, cos, tan, cosecant, secant, cot. Friends, now let me tell you how to find out the value of trigonometric ratio by using the table. So, write down the trigonometric ratio, sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, secant theta and cot theta. And in horizontal, write the angles 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. It is a very easy way. You can write in only 1 minute only you can write this. First you have to remember the value of sin theta. First table only we have to remember. What is it? 0. Sin 0 is 0. 30, 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 and 1. Now, for cos theta, you have to write from last to first. Last is 1, next root 3 by 2, afterwards 1 by root 2, 1 by 2 and 0. Next, sin over cos over. For tan theta, we know that tan theta is sin theta by cos theta. Divide 0 by 1 is 0. Anything divided by 0 is 0. 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2. 2 get cancelled. The remaining is 1 by root 3. Next, here also divide. Root 2 cancel. Only remaining is 1. Next, root 3 by 2, 1 by 2. 2 cancel. Only root 3 is remaining. 1 by 0. Any number divided by 0 is not defined. Okay, not defined, infinity. Next, cosecant theta. How to write cosecant theta means reciprocal of sin theta. Reciprocal of sin theta is cosecant theta. Reciprocal of sin theta is cosecant theta. Reciprocal of cos theta is secant theta. Reciprocal of tan theta is cot theta. Now, to write cosecant theta, you have to reciprocal. Reciprocal means 1 by 0 is not defined. 1 by 2, reciprocal is only 2. 1 by root 2 reciprocal is root 2. Root 3 by 2 reciprocal is 2 by root 3. 1 reciprocal is 1 only. Now, for secant theta, Right from last. Cosecant theta's last number will be secant theta's first. 1, 2 by root 3, root 2, 2 and not defined. No. Cot theta. For cot theta you have to do nothing, it is simple. Tan theta from last is cot theta. You have to write from last. Not defined. Root 3, 1 by root 3 and 0. Only simple, friends. Note down this. Very easy now, friends. By this method you can write down the table very fastly. It will be helpful in solving maths trigonometry problems for annual exams, CET and JEE. Thank you for watching my video, friends. For more videos like this, please do like, subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.